Urgency.
The urgency
Yes.
is not, I'll tell you, Lord Shipilot, that is that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, but I say
All right, you go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is-
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
no, I am saying
I say this with responsibility.
yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here.
Well,
What has the PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secured.
Yes.
Any demolition
All
work
right,
carried out was outside, much further away from the
How many
PO.
patients are there? We'll close down the hospital.
Situation. It's very unfortunate what is happening. Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA.
In the last occasion, Lordship have observed that there is no complaint has been lodged by the principal and the authority. Millard, on that score, I could not apprise your Lordship. Millard,
You file an affidavit.
I am not in a position.
You file an affidavit.
No, I have.
You file an affidavit, sir.
Lodge. I have informed the police and
You file an affidavit. Sir, you file an affidavit. Sir.
Millard, I did your Lordship the difficult. Millard, your Lordship has the action against Mr. Sandeep. Now, there is incident happened on the Millard 16th August. Millard, there were few people gathered in his house and wanted to set the fire. Millard, for
Why you seek police protection, sir?
No, we have already deployed.
even
Because we have made all our prima facie observations. We have also made a prima facie observation that your client is a very powerful person. So therefore, don't worry. Police will give you adequate.
that question doesn't come. Millard,
Yes. It does come. It does come.
Yes.
kindly give a
You challenge our order, sir. You challenge our order. You challenge our order. As we have signed, the order has been uploaded. It has to be implemented. Otherwise, we'll take suo motu contempt. If you want to bring on record anything, please file an affidavit. Let us test the correctness of your submission based on affidavit. Let him come and affirm an affidavit here. We will take it up.
Now, may
In the meantime, the state is with you. There's no problem. They will post 500 policemen in your house. Nobody can set it on. If you don't trust the state police, please inform the court. We will request the central forces to guard your house.
I am all along with cooperating with the investigation agents.
We'll see, sir. We'll see. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Let him be peaceful at home. Let him relax for some time.
Well, I believe Mr. Bhattacharya is appearing, Millard.
No.
You are appearing for the doctor. Yes, you file an affidavit.
For the doctor or his family, Millard, we have already taken steps for the court, Millard. The Honorable Single Judge, Millard, we have taken leave to move a matter, Millard, on an urgent basis because, Millard, his entire house was, Millard, he was gherowed, Millard, by a huge mob on the 15th, Millard, intervening night, 14th and 15th.
But you don't require a court order, sir.
No, we require.
No, they will take care.
They are, unfortunately, they have not.
They will
Unfortunately, they have not.
definitely.
With deepest of respect, Millard, they have not. Now, therefore,
Or you move the single bench letters.
Yes, may I now submit? Well, I've been trying to submit for some time. First and foremost, may I say that as of now, and I say now, the PO is secure. All these allegations that the PO has been demolished, destroyed, nothing is
All right.
correct.
Then you
This-
file an affidavit.
I can
Yes.
but one more thing, may I just say? As far as the demolition work that happened, that was not anyway, that was not in the PO or anywhere. That is for other room because there was a long-standing demand.
Sir, what was the urgency, sir?
The urgency is not, I'll tell you, Lord Shipilot, that is that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, but I say
All right, you go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is- no,
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
no, I am saying
I say this with responsibility.
yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here.
Well,
What has the PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secured.
Yes,
Any demolition
All
work
right,
carried out was outside,
All
much
right.
further
How
away from the
how many
PO.
patients are there? We'll close down the hospital. We'll shift all the patients to some other government hospital. We'll convince the patient party to cooperate. We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. Close the hospital. How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best. And
That-
this story is saying that within 12 hours restroom has to be provided.
No,
See
no,
the
this-
conditions, sir. See the condition in the court premises.
You know, if I'm not, if PO is fully secure, I say it as of now.
We take
Lord,
it.
also agitators
Because the entire submission, your lordship does not want to hear my submission.
Yes, yes, sir, you hear you,
But
sir.
my submission is, the issue is the PO. The PO I said as of now is also. There is no demolition work that has happened in the PO.
So as of
I'm
now,
saying it with responsibility and on instruction.
We take your word. You let this be on record by whoever is the dean of the hospital or administrator of the hospital. Let him file saying that nothing has been done. You support.
Nothing is in the PO.
Yes. And you can substantiate with photographs and you can say,
Yes.
and what was the work done? We are with an open mind, sir.
Yes.
But
But
what
that's
you-
all I'm praying for.
Yes, you should also be disturbed as a citizen of West Bengal,
But
having been
when
brought and brought up
submissions
here.
are made,
You should
submissions
say-
are made with
Yes,
contrary to
yes,
facts,
yes.
that also
It should
disturbs.
pain you. It should pain you also.
Look,
pains me.
It does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your lordship doesn't want to hear us, then it's a different
No. It's not that way, sir.
Your
We have
lordship,
been here. We have been.
thing. I am categorically saying the PO is secure as of now.
We will take your word. Take your word. You let an affidavit come on record saying that the people is safe. CBI is under investigation. If they want, they can controvert. They can also examine. They will-
We have no problem with that. Let them go. Have they made that is the investigating agency. Have they come and said that PO has been demolished?
We have not taken up the issue today. The matter has been listed today because several requests have come by the writ petitioners themselves reporting about this vandalism. So this vandalism, could it have been prevented, is the moot question. Who did it, for what purpose it was did, etc. There's a gross difference between 35 people and 7,000 people. How many entered the hospital? What was the reason to, break all facilities in the emergency weeks? This can never be understood, sir.
May
I
I
don't
submit
think so.
this?
Such things has occurred in any other part of the
I
country.
have with me, well, it's just that I cannot show it to your lordship. The amount of resistance the police were putting up and how this
It
vandalism.
is true, sir. The police are also injured. That's
Yes,
sufficient.
even a rank of deputy commissioner has got injured. The other officers are also injured. That is when.
So
I am saying,
therefore,
but today
is it a failure of the law and order situation?
it is not.
That shows the helplessness of the state police authorities, and that is why we pray for deployment of central paramilitary forces.
Wait.
That is the
Mr. Bakshi, please.
merit.
Therefore, something should instill confidence in the mind of the court, sir. This is
If I may, just my point is,
uh,
this situation is very unfortunate. What is happening? Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA. But these doctors strike. Now, more patients are dying. Poor patients. These doctors strike. Here is the Supreme Court. All I want, a Supreme Court order. We went.
no, we are going to hear the
No,
doctors.
sir,
No, it's different thing. It's different thing.
let him hold his patients, Milord. We are on a different.
Dr. Vai, you please file your
Well, he
petition.
stays in USA. Milord is so much interested in Calcutta affairs. That's not difficult.
Wait,
Please,
Let us.
one.
you
You should not
We
do
know
that.
you.
you should first
know you very well.
understand the agony your fraternity is
Yes.
going through.
Totally. I'm with them.
So
But
we will
not by
grant.
shutting down hospital. Milord, what is happening?
Yes, it has to be because
Only one hospital is
today the
shut.
ENT
Strike is in the just one. What Supreme
No,
Court
we will not receive anything. You please file your
said? And
papers.
this matter on Monday has to be
Yes,
mentioned. To be mentioned.
leave is granted.
leave is granted to file. Please sign.
Your lordship,
Yeah.
parallelly, a committee may be formed only your lordship, the condition of female doctors there who are working, who are studying is precarious. A judicial committee may be created only to suggest what state could take measures to improve the condition. This is required. Not only safety, plus the hygiene, sexual harassment act, which has been brought in as a law. This is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to in any of the government hospital. The public toilets are worse than a gutter. I'm uttering this word, Your Lord.